Hello, brother. How are you?
Hello, brother. I'm well. What about you?
I'm good. Are you alone?
Yes, brother. It's my nickname.
I'm kidding. Yeah, I see your nickname. Mr. Noyan, exactly where are you from in Bangladesh?
Well, I'm exactly from Dinajpur, but I have
Northern part
study
of the
purpose. Yes, northern part of Dinajpur,
our country.
and yes, brother. But recently, I study purpose live in Dhaka.
Okay, okay. Dhaka. Dhaka is very big place.
Yes, yes, brother. It's a very crowded city in
Yeah,
Bangladesh.
I have a one roommate. This name is Noor Alam Noyan. He is my teacher and my colleague.
Okay, brother.
Nice to meet you, Noyan.
Oh, yes, thank you, brother. Nice to meet you.
Okay, okay, okay. What is your purpose for this app?
Oh, okay. Yeah, because this purpose of my apps is for my higher study abroad, brother. I think.
Okay, good luck for
Uh,
your future, for your hope.
yes, brother.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
I use this application and
I am
learning English.
I basically use this app for make a joke, make a friend. I am looking for international
Uh,
friend. I want to know about worldwide information, technology update, education, culture, or revolution.
uh,
It is. I
uh,
have no interest
okay.
about abroad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and not.
Brother, which you are a university student?
Yes, I completed my graduation recently, around 6 or 5 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Same to you, brother.
Okay, brother. You have a job?
No, I am looking for IELTS
Okay,
journey,
okay, okay,
and
okay.
then I give a score, and I want to study abroad.
Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Tell me about yourself, detailsly about your family, about your studying life, everything I want to know. And you talking with me fluently, so it's good for you.
Well, well, brother, I'm Noyan,
Yeah.
and I live in Dhaka for my studies. First, a few months ago, I have completed my higher secondary certificate.
Higher secondary
Uh,
certificate.
in yes, higher
Oh,
secondary
not a
certificate.
graduation.
No.
Okay.
uh, um, higher secondary certificate in 2025. Mm.
Okay.
Yes, brother. Uh, and
You look like similar to my age.
yes, brother.
Don't worry, continue your talking.
Okay. I have four brother and no sister.
Four
Uh,
brother.
yes,
It's
four
good. It's
brother.
good. I like brother, cause it's very bad for me. Not I am. It's not a bad. It's the God's plan. It's Allah's plan. I am only brother, and I have a four sister. My four sister are very friendly and very crowdy, very laughing
Oh,
for me. Yeah,
you are so lucky,
yeah,
brother.
yeah. I am lucky.
But I have no sister.
Yeah.
Bad luck.
Future, you have a
Uh,
wife. Wife make a sister, make a friend.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure.
Okay. Yes, brother. What's your future plan, brother?
I have a future plan. I make me a good human being and I support my family. I contribute some good things for our society. etc. I have no big plan.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's good. Uh,
It's a normal life,
I have
normal
a.
people, mango people.
Okay. Brother, you are my elder brother. So I think.
It's doesn't matter. You are matured, I
Yes.
am mature also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Brother, yeah. Mm, Uh, do you why use this application? Uh,
Uh, uh,
in your leisure time, yeah, learning English, yeah, job.
I
Mm,
said before, I talking, I saying with you again. I use this
okay.
app for make a friend. Basically, I focus for
Oh, okay, okay,
international
okay.
friend. Yeah,
Uh,
and
a few months
before,
ago, brother, few months ago, brother,
are you going
I,
to abroad any
no, no, no,
since?
no, no, no.
Yeah.
Few months ago, I talking a foreigner girl, brother,
Before,
and
I am currently talking with you. Before I talking with a Indian girl. His name is
okay,
Varnalake. He is from southern
oh,
part of India. I can't speak
okay,
properly his name. It's very
okay,
difficult pronunciation for me, and he is a very good
oh, okay.
speaker. And I am talking with him, and I am satisfied.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Brother, I think there are a lot of people, foreigner people. I talk you,
yeah,
I talking, and so there are cultural talking system.
yeah.
I think best,
Right,
and
right.
they are very friendly.
Yeah, oh, we make our behavior, our character,
Yes.
kind of them. So it's very good for our speaking, our communication, everything.